I'm Cody here. Today I'm doing another video. Today I have drawn another superhero. I'm done. Today I have drawn another dinosaur. And this time it is a flying... I'm stupid. I put flying dragon. I'm done. Next I'm going to say flying dinosaur instead of flying dragon. Jeez. Flying dragon. And it's pretty cool. It has wings, of course. It's flying dragon. I don't know what the flying dragon is called. Icy. I like them a lot. I like them. I like them. That's my favorite so far. Go check out. Marina. Man, but yeah, here's Icy. There's a lot of blue in it. I like them. I have a perfect idea what I'm going to do next. Icy Pepsi. In the grass and stuff, and he's flying. It looks so cool. He only has two. He doesn't have any arms. But he only has 2 feet, but he has wings. The wings is like his arms. But yeah, I like them very much. Mom, Dad, me. Oh God. Stop. I'll try that again. Oh, that was sick. Yeah, this is Icy. I hope you have enjoyed him. I do a lot. And make sure to subscribe. I love you all. Just enjoy the video, please. Leave a like and go subscribe. Love you all. Icy for the win.